I gave myself 45 minutes to build my first AI agent. No code, no clue. Let's see what happened. All I wanted was a little bot to send me daily summaries, but turns out this wasn't as easy as I thought. I found this tool called N8N. Apparently you can build automations without writing any code. Okay, first step, I needed something to store the whole thing, like a trigger. So I clicked the plus button and I was instantly overwhelmed. Webhooks, schedule, web scraping, HTTP requests, none of it made sense. Eventually, I chose schedule node. I just wanted this thing to run every morning. Alright, so I dropped in this RSS feed trigger, thinking this was a node that pulls content from a website. But then, error, something about an attribute without value or zero context, zero help. At this point, I had no idea what I did wrong. So I did what every lost soul does. I asked both ChatGPT and the N8N assistant to bail me out. It turns out I was using the wrong node entirely. I needed RSS read, not RSS trigger. Two nodes that sound the same but do very different things. Great. Quick tip, if you're stuck, screenshot the error and upload it to ChatGPT. It saves you like from 20 minutes from Googling. So yeah, I added the correct RSS read node, pasted one website URL, and started wondering, would I use a separate node for every site? Then I just kept it simple, one node, one site. I just wanted to get it working. Then came the OpenAI node and I thought it would just work, but nope. Apparently you just need something called an API key, which I'd never even heard of. Found out that I needed to create an OpenAI account, go into my settings and generate a private key. Oh, and OpenAI won't even let you use the API unless you add a credit card. Yep, no free pass here. Next issue, I connected an HTTP node to grab article content, send it to the OpenAI model. Right, now I just needed to get the summary to me, and for that I added a Telegram node, which meant creating a bot, finding my chat ID, grabbing the token, all stuff I didn't know. So again, ChatGPT to the rescue. I asked for step by step, follow it, and finally done. And just like that, the whole system worked. New content pulled, AI summarized it, Telegram sends it to me, click the text workflow, and it executed successfully. Now, here's the funny part. Everything you just saw took me 2 hours, but I found a Chrome extension called N8N Chat that literally builds the entire workflow for you in like 2 minutes. You just describe what you want and it gives you the file to import. And if I knew that earlier, well, I have had a much shorter time. So what's the takeaway from all this? If you're trying to build automations or AI agents, yes, it can feel overwhelming, but if you treat it like a puzzle, ask good questions, use the right tools, it starts to click. So don't overthink it. Just think clearly about a problem you want to solve, then build towards. Oh, and definitely keep ChatGPT tab open. It saves you more times than I can count.